Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another little week in my life. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Emma. I post like college lifestyle videos on here and I upload week in my life like every other week just so that I don't get bored filming and you guys don't get bored watching the same thing over and over again because my schedule is pretty consistent. Also, elephant in the room, I did decorate for Christmas yesterday, which by the time that you guys are watching this video, I would have already posted the decorate for Christmas with me video. So if you guys missed it, I'll link it down below. Today is Monday, November 12th. It is 10:13 a.m. I had an orthodontist appointment earlier this morning. I'm finally freaking done with Invisalign. I've had it for like 3 years, I think, like a really long time. And so we're finally just about done. And I have my final retainer, so excited about that. I have another doctor appointment at like 2:15, but I think we have to leave at like 1:30. And then my grandparents are coming over at like 5. We haven't seen them in maybe a couple weeks, so we'll do that. And then all of my in-between time will probably be spent on homework. I have yet to make my to-do list. If you guys watch my week in my life, so you know I'm like a very organized person and I always write out a list, which I guess I can show you guys last week's. This is what last week's looked like. So I just go through all of my syllabi and classes and just like write down what I have to do, and then I can check that off as I do it. It's really nice for me just to see everything in one place. So I have to make that for this week. I don't think it'll be a busy homework week. I do have a test Thursday that I have not studied for yet. It's for marketing, but I'm not like too worried about it. And yeah, I think that's my only test. I don't think I have like anything else like out of the ordinary this week. I'm helping out at school Wednesday night. There's like this event and one of my professors asked me to be like a student ambassador or something, so helping out with that. And then I have a meeting with Thursday at school, like in between classes. So other than that, it's a pretty normal week. So yeah, I'm gonna make my schedule and then I can go through my classes because I know you guys like when I do that and like show you guys like what I have due for each class. Alright, so I made my list. I'm gonna go ahead and walk through it with you guys just because I think that's kind of fun. So for physical geology, I have to read chapter 15, which is on glaciers, which I think will be interesting. And then I have to take a test on 4 chapters, which the tests are so easy. They're not timed. You can literally, sorry, but you can Google all the questions and just like look through your text. So it's a really, really easy class. For public relations, I have to read chapter 11 and chapter 12 and then do a reading quiz on those. For marketing, I just have my test Thursday. I kind of worked ahead and did chapter 14, which is due for Tuesday of next week, and then we don't have anything due until like the 26th after break, which will be nice. For my Native American literature class, which is my absolute favorite, I have to read through chapter 7 for tomorrow, and then I have to finish the book for Thursday, and then we have discussion questions also due Thursday. And then for English, I'm not sure, it's like a Tuesday to like Monday night class, so I have stuff due tonight. I have to listen to, so we only have like one more project or like essay due, and it's just a big research project, as they always are. So I have to listen to the lecture on that, and then I have to research an activist community and decide like which one I want to do and why for my final paper. So yeah, that's it. It is a pretty light week, I would say. I feel like they just keep getting lighter like the more this semester progresses, which is interesting. Hasn't been like that for my other semesters, but I'm not complaining. I'm so ready for this semester to be over. We still have, well, this is week 12, so we still have week 13, 14, and 15, and then the final exam week. So I will be done with this semester December 11th, which is crazy.
Em wants a chai latte with almond milk.
Okay.
Yay! Do a picture?
No, I'll put it in the Instagram pictures I have to shoot. Is that yours or mine?
This is mine, right?
Okay. Alright, so I'm home from the doctor's. It was fine. Since I'm like under 21, I didn't have to do all of the normal stuff, which is good, taking advantage of that since I think, yeah, I only have 1 year left because I'm almost 20. So yeah, we just chatted about my problems and came to a solution, so that was good. And then we stopped after the appointment to shoot a couple of pictures, just some brand posts. So I just finished editing those, which I'll show you because I really like them. So this is the first one. They just sent me this sweater. So yeah, that's the first one. And then this is the other one. They sent me this cardigan. So my grandparents are going to be here in like 20 minutes. So I'm just going to spend that time reading. This is for my Native American literature class that I will talk about till the day I die. I love it so much. I still have 30 pages left and it's due tomorrow. So I'll probably read like 15 right now and then some later tonight, and then probably like just finish up tomorrow morning before class. Okay, so it's Tuesday morning. I am currently in the car heading to class. One of my classes actually got canceled again. I think this is like the third or fourth time she's canceled this semester so far. So I don't have PR. Whoops, let me make this turn. So yeah, I don't have my public relations class. I just have Native American and then marketing.
I just wanna go back to 1999. Take a ride to my old neighborhood. I just wanna go back. Sing hit me baby one more time. Wanna go back, wanna go.
Alright, so I'm home from class now. I got home maybe like 30-ish minutes ago, and marketing was alright. I feel like I've said this before, but like it's such a big lecture hall that, I don't know, just the class dynamic is really interesting. The professor, like himself, I think he's pretty good and he knows his material, and it was on retailing and wholesaling, which is interesting to me just because I work as a retailer, so I liked that aspect of it. But then yeah, I came home, I just showered, I'm now laying on my bed. I'm gonna finish tracks for my Native American literature class, and I'm icing my knee. So I don't know if this has like happened to any of you guys. I feel like it's like a really weird injury because it's not really an injury, but when I sit at my desk or like at work, I usually cross my left like leg under my right leg, and so it's kind of like a crisscross but only my left leg, so it's like kind of bent and twisted almost. And so I feel like I've just been sitting so much the past like 2 weeks that it's starting to like kind of rip my ligament or muscle or whatever it is like away, like stretch it, I guess is a better word. And so like my knee hurts so bad. Like just walking to class today, it like hurt every single step, and the cold does not help. The cold makes all of my injuries or past injuries like come back to life. So yeah, if you guys have any like experiences with this before, again, like it's super bizarre, but I don't know. I mean, it makes sense, I guess, just the way that my knee twists, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm icing that. If you guys have any recommendations or whatever, try to let me know. It's really hard for me to like get out of the habit to stop sitting that way, but I'm trying. So today's Thursday. I just finished getting ready, packed up. I'm about to head out to my classes. My public relations class literally got canceled again. I don't know like what is up with this woman, but she just like does not want to teach us this semester. So this is like, I think the 4th or 5th time that classes have been canceled already, which has never happened in one of my semesters before. Honestly though, I'm not really complaining because I don't like the class and I have a test like the class following that, so I was like, okay, cool, like I can study, I can chill, because I haven't studied a ton for that one yet. And my professor said Tuesday that this test trips people up too, which is just what I wanted to hear. Plus I have a lunch meeting from 12 to 2 on campus with just a group that I'm in. It's called the Secular Student Fellowship. So it's basically just like a bunch of secular humanists who don't believe in God but still believe in good and pursuing strong relationships and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm going there right after class, so it would have been like go, go, go today. So I'm kind of glad that it got canceled. As for yesterday, I worked until about 4:30 and then I went to my school. I had an event, or I was volunteering at a little event. This famous writer dude came in, and then I came home and I did homework till like 11, which never happens, but I have like discussion questions that are due for my Native American lit class today, and we had to finish the book, which I finished like yesterday, so kind of scrambling for that. But yeah, it all turned out good. I was studying this morning, had a nice relaxing morning kind of. I was kind of hoping my classes would get canceled today because it was like sleeting last night, and like even out on the trees like there's like ice everywhere. So I'm leaving a little bit early so that I don't have to like speed my way through ice and can just take it slow and chill. Y'all already know what I'm wearing. I have my go-to sneakers on, my black leggings, and then this New York City crew neck sweatshirt. That's my favorite. I got it at Target. It was like 20 bucks. It's so cute and comfortable. I love it. So back in my car after my test. It went well. I got a 90 on it, which was pretty good. Like I said, like you have to get a 90 in this class to get an A, so that's pretty good. I didn't think it was like as hard. There were only like 2 or 3 questions that tripped me up, which is why I lost those points, but overall it was pretty good. And then yeah, it's legit snowing. I walked out and I was like, what? I did not know it was supposed to snow today. Alright, made it home from school. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little workout. I found 3 videos I'm gonna do on YouTube. The first is just like an ab exercise, and then I have my favorite 5-minute arm workout, and then I'm gonna do a 5-minute butt workout too, because I like never work my butt and legs anymore. I like really just focus on my abs and arms, so I figured that would be good. And then as always, I'm gonna watch The Office while I work out, just because like it's funny and I just like it as like background noise and something else that I can focus on.
Oh my gosh. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh. I fell in love with Shawty when I seen her on the dance floor.
Alright, today's Friday. I am working from 10 to 5, and then I have this little like donut party thing later tonight that I totally forgot about. But it starts at 7:30, so I'm just going to be working and kind of hanging out, not too much homework, not too much exciting stuff going on. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I was editing this video last night, and I feel like it like, I don't know, I just really like how it came together, and it's fun to like go back and edit and watch like what you did this week because I didn't remember half the stuff I did. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!